Yeah, I spun too. Hey, Owl's victorious.
Yeah.
Alright, hello guys, welcome back to another video of Mad Games. I'm trying to upload at least, okay, so I'm gonna upload one day, and I'm gonna upload 2 days later. So that means the next day, and then the day after that. So,
yeah, sorry about the other video, it was kinda cringy, but it was...
cringe warning, maybe that's why it didn't get a lot of views.
Yeah, I mean, it was late at night.
Yeah, we were kind of drunk.
Yeah, we were kind of drunk, yeah.
I'm innocent.
Like, on camera, my voice sounds, like, so screechy and, like, cringy a little bit, but, like, in real life, my voice doesn't even sound remotely close.
I found the murderer. It's Nick, dude. The flutes must not be destroyed.
Oh, dang, someone's already... Who is it? I'm kinda scared.
It's Nicky, dude.
Nicky? Oh, you. Oh, I see him. Oh, I see him. The stabber.
Yeah, he's a noob.
He's on iPad, so...
Yeah, no wonder, so I wouldn't blame him.
Yeah. Kinda sucks, but...
Oh, wait, what type of knife does he have?
Fire.
What?
He has a fire knife.
I don't think he does. Dude, it's a different type of knife.
Oh my god. No, please. Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn off this music. I'm gonna...
Oh.
Yeah. Ah! Oh, it's candy corn.
Yo! He just got everyone in one twin.
Rip. Drinking water because my voice is kind of scratched up. Rip that.
Either we were really close together, or he has like really bad internet. You know someone's an odor when they have the salad hat and a dust mask. Yeah, they're kind of doing the same thing we're doing right now. They kind of have like the same outfit.
Who?
Oh.
Oh, Wix is trying to copy us.
Yeah. Don't climb up the tree. I mean, I can't climb up the tree.
What do you mean?
Oh, he's trying to get the apple badge.
Who?
What the?
Oh, him? Oh yeah, let's help out, because I'm actually trying to get the apple badge.
Me too, but wait, I need a turn.
Dude, that's the only badge that I need, besides, like, the Halloween ones. The normal badges are the only badges that I need.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh no. Okay, it's Jug.
I need to change my name.
To what?
I need to change it to something besides RP. My name wasn't intended to stand for roleplay.
Rpxxtitan.
Yeah, no, that just sounds super gay, bro. My name was supposed to stand for rating pending. Instead it sounds like that. These freaking odors are like, oh, you roleplay too, dude? I'm like, no, I don't. Wow, I have my aim.
The Odiers.
My aim. My aim. Okay, finally, yes.
Wait, who's the, Jug?
With the candy knife.
Dude, he's an odor. He has candies. He has Skittles. Well,
guy.
Thump that. Wait, you died?
Yeah, he's just stabbing. He can throw knives, but he's just stabbing.
Yeah, there's an icon for throwing. He's missing. Oh wait, no, he can throw.
Yeah, he can't throw.
Yeah, he just threw a knife at me. And then after that, he stabbed me.
He killed his team member.
You're not on iPad, do it right.
Yeah, he's rich. He's rich. He has the peanut butter sparkle time.
Oh, wait, who?
Him right here, look. He has peanut butter sparkle time. Yeah,
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
wait, unless that's a scam version. Wait, never mind, it's not.
Yeah, it's the, what's it called? It's like 23,000 Robux.
Or he's one of those noob oders, like noob rich people who buy Robux.
Yeah, to apparently look hot or cute.
Yeah. Cause dude, look at his clothes.
What?
They don't look rich at all. I mean, our clothes don't look rich.
It's simple. I mean, his face is pretty simple. He doesn't really go with the face. I mean, his face doesn't go out with his outfit that good.
Yeah, he's chill penis butter sparkle.
Yeah, bro. I'm so sad. Come on, is that? No, just the teamers left. Oh, I need to get black hair. I need to get black hair. I have an outfit that would go very good with black hair, but
we are the same besides the faces.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have Dizzy.
I literally waited a month to get this.
Dude, okay, so guess what? You know what sucks?
What?
That you can't, like, sell game passes or things that you do not need or want anymore to get your Robux back.
I know, like, whenever, like, I remember one time I bought, like, this game pass in a game, and the game, like, they deleted the game. I didn't get a refund, which I think kind of sucks. Is that if Roblox could, like, refund your Robux, that would be, like, very nice.
Everybody's murderer. No, I am noob. I got no scoped.
What the?
Wait, wasn't Tom on our team?
Yeah, Tom's on our team. He didn't kill us. He killed us.
No, Tom killed you. We have an odor, no scooper.
Yeah.
And then we have 3 teamers. Hey dude, you know what would be a trippy map for Mad Games?
What?
The ballroom of, dang, I forgot, but the ballroom of the,
Oh, poor boy.
ow.
Let's say, Owl Boy, dude, he's literally fighting 4 people right now.
He has the
Wow.
he dodged everybody. What was that ship game? I mean, the ship, movie with the cruise ship? I forgot what that was. Hold on, let me, look it up. Know what? Never mind. I won't. But it was about a cruise ship.
Hey, dude, look at this. Look, do you see the team fighting? They're fighting.
Oh, it's only him. His whole team.
Yeah, like they're all fighting right now.
Oh, well, yes. Alright, guys, if you know what the cruise ship game, cruise ship movie is, like, basically, it was, like, capsized from, like, a rogue wave or something like that.
Poseidon?
Yeah, Poseidon. Thanks.
Oh,